Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent static electricity from damaging your components. Start by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the battery if your model allows it. This step is crucial for safety. Now, locate the screws securing the back panel of the laptop. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws carefully. Keep them in a safe place to avoid losing any. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic prying tool to gently lift the back panel off. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips that hold the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you'll see the internal components of the laptop. Now, locate the display connector and carefully detach it from the motherboard. This might involve removing a few additional screws or clips, so proceed with caution. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to assist you. Next, we need to remove the broken screen. Begin by unscrewing the hinges that connect the screen to the laptop body. There will typically be 4 screws. Ensure you are using the correct size screwdriver to prevent stripping them. Once the screws are out, gently lift the screen from its base. It might be connected by a few adhesive strips, so don't force it. Instead, use the plastic prying tool to carefully detach it. If you're uncomfortable performing this step, consider our pickup and delivery service at your home to handle the repair for you. With the old screen removed, it's time to prepare the new screen. If you have a new screen ready, ensure that it's clean and free from dust. Place the new screen in position, aligning it with the hinges. Once aligned, secure it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure it's firmly attached but avoid over-tightening. Now, reconnect the display connector to the motherboard. This is a critical step, as a loose connection could lead to display issues later. If you're unsure about this connection, we offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know what to expect. Once everything is reconnected, carefully replace the back panel of the laptop. Align it properly and press down until it clicks into place. Then, reinstall the screws to secure the back panel. Finally, reinsert the battery if applicable and power on your laptop to test the new screen. If everything looks good, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the screen on your HP 15's fq4014ns. If you encounter any issues, remember we're here to help with no calls and no travel needed. Just reach out for assistance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.